Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to increase your NCB credit card limit. So this is where you can go from, let's say, $50,000 to $100,000. So let's get started. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to Help and Services. Then you're going to select NCB Assist Service Requests and Complaints. It's going to take you to a new page. Here you're going to select Create a Service Request. Then you're going to select credit card, then next. So here's where we're going to choose the service request type. We're going to select increase/decrease my credit card limit. And for the sub-service request, you're going to select limit increase. It will then ask that you enter your RSA token to proceed to the next step. Now here's where you're going to be entering your additional information. So you're going to select the credit card that you'd like to have the limit increase applied to. You're going to enter the new amount that you'd like to have the limit increase to. You're also going to select your employment status. So there's a list here. So from the list, you're going to choose what applies to you. You're going to enter your contact number, and in this little section here you're going to enter the details of your request, which is basically to let the bank know that you are requesting to have your credit card limit increased to the specific amount that you would like. Now after you do that, there's a little section here that says upload files, and there's a little button that you can press to select the files. So this button is actually for your job letter, or if you have your pay slips, you will select this button and you will upload, and then after you do that you will select next to proceed. So once you've done that, you're now at the screen where you'll basically just be reviewing your information to ensure that everything that you've entered or selected is correct. So what's important to note here: ensure that you have selected the correct credit card. Ensure that you have the new limit amount, it's correct. And you can also just check to see that the supporting documents that you uploaded, it's actually here. So you'll see it right here. So once you have reviewed and you see that everything is accurate, you're going to select submit to submit your request. Anyways guys, this was just my really quick tutorial on how to increase your credit card limit with NCB. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section. I'll try my best to answer. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.